Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to view archived message or conversation in Facebook Messenger. Follow these easy steps to easily find out all of your archived conversations. And steps will be similar for Android and iPhones. First of all, on your mobile, make sure you have installed the Messenger app. Go to your App Store or Play Store and simply search for Messenger, and all you have to need install this Messenger app on your phone. Once it's installed, go ahead and launch the Messenger app. And now make sure to sign into your Messenger account using your Facebook account, and you will directly jump into your chat list here. Now let's make this conversation archive. So I'm gonna tapping and holding this conversation and tapping on archive. And as you can see, the conversation has been removed from my chat list, and now I'll show you how to view all of your archived conversation. Once you are in your Messenger, tap on this menu icon, and here you will find this archive option. Just open archive, and in this archive folder you will find all of your archived conversation. Now from here you can easily open any archived chat, conversation or group. And to unarchive any conversation, tap and hold the conversation and tap on unarchive. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.